Hello everyone, so here's Tinder app. So how to restore purchases in Tinder. So just go to your profile tab, go to settings, and then the bottom go here, and somewhere here, yes, you have restore purchases. So what does it mean exactly? So it means that when you, for example, upgrade to a new phone and you did some purchases in the app, like for example, gaming app or anything, you bought some upgrades, and to not lose them when switching to new phone, you just need to log in with the same Apple ID with which you did these upgrades. And then so just log in with the same Apple ID, and then all your functionality you purchased should be restored. So that's the same way on Tinder. So hope that helps.